Hello and welcome to 2ByteCode. Today in this video we are going to see that how we can use the listview.builder and consume custom list in our Flutter app. So let's start. So here on the screen I have a very basic code where I have this main function, then I have this my app class, then I have this my home page where I have this scaffold. Now inside this scaffold we have a property called body where we need to work. So I will call the body property and I will pass the listview.builder here. Now this listview.builder has one required parameter which is item builder and it accepts a function. So let's pass it. This function accepts two parameters. The first one is context. It is utilized in building the widgets, and the next one is index. And inside this index, what we need to do is we need to return a widget. For our case, we are going to keep it simple and we are going to simply return a list style. Now this list style will have some title, which is text. And here in the text, I will pass list style text, quite self-explanatory. Now when I press this hot reload button, let's see what happens. Now I have this list style here, but it does not look quite good. So first of all, what I will do is I will pass the tile color here, and for this tile color I will give tile colors dot purple accent, and let's see what happens. It looks even worse. So let me fix it. I will wrap it with the padding. So now it looks quite better. It looks better than it was. Let's see how we can use the custom list items inside this listview.builder. For that we need a list. So I will quickly create here just above the return statement. I will create a list of string with some random names and I will call it names. So just follow me along. Now I have prepared this name list. What I will do is I will consume this in the list style shown here. So for that I will go to the listview.builder, and inside this listview.builder I will call a property which is item count, and for this item count I will pass the amount of element that we have in the list, but it can be dynamic. So what we need to do is we need to write the name here and I will call its length. This will pass the length of this names list. Now what I will do is I will go to the text here and I will consume them here. I will use a dollar sign, and inside this I will use a dollar sign with curly braces, and I will call my list followed by the index of the list. Let me show you how it works. So for names 0, which is the index, the element is Raj, and for the names list element 1, which is the index, the element is Ankit. So this is how it works. Let's see if it really works on our app. So yes, it works quite well. We have this list here and it looks quite pretty. So this is how you can create or consume the custom list in the listview.builder. I hope you learned this technique and you enjoyed this video as well. We will meet in the next video. Till then, keep coding with 2ByteCode.